Hello, my name is Jim Wood, and together with Eduardo Russo and Steve Wright, we make up Team 11 in IST331 at Penn State University. I'm here to talk to you about our team project. This semester we were tasked with designing a user interface that implemented design and organizational principles. For our team's project, we chose to create an in-car touchscreen interface that is something we're familiar with and is also a topic of shared interest. Our goal was to create an interface that was not only fast and easy to use, but offered features that would be expected from today's users. To kick off the planning process, we created personas which represented real-world people who would be using our interface. These personas gave the team a better understanding of the type of users our interface would have, along with what features they would be looking for. A common point of interest we noticed was ease of usability. To ensure our project remained on track, the team met on a weekly basis using both email and Google Hangouts for communication. Google Docs was used to share and collectively work on project documents. The next step was to create a low-fidelity prototype. Each member of the team created their own independent design, and the best elements were chosen and combined into the final interface. Using this low-fidelity prototype as a guide, a high-fidelity prototype was created in Photoshop and then uploaded to InVision. Hotspots were then added to allow a user to click through the screens. Each team member had a friend or family member try out the prototype, and notes were taken while the users attempted to complete specific tasks. This testing provided valuable feedback and resulted in a few important design changes, including theme colors and button icon choices. Interface design principles and standards learned in the course were reviewed, and two more changes were made. One was a color change, and the other was the addition of a red error message. So now let's dive into our interface. When first loading the interface, the user is presented with a simplified main screen which displays a clock, outside temperature, the menu options, which are phone, music, navigation, information and settings, and climate control. This simple approach of the automobile interface allows even the most novice user to navigate the system without distracting them from the road. Clicking on the phone icon presents a user with a dial pad for their phone, a button to place the call, end the call, search the contact book, and to delete any misdialed numbers. Clicking into the contact book icon presents a user with their collection of contacts. Selecting a contact gives the user the option to call them on their cell phone or home or work phone. Moving to the interface's audio settings, the user is again presented with a few input options, which would be radio, CD, or Bluetooth. Choosing radio will provide a user with an easily recognizable interface that displays the station, song, and artist name, options to scroll up or down stations, and the ability to store and access presets. CD and Bluetooth inputs are currently under construction. The user is prompted with a large, easily identified construction icon. The interface's navigation screen presents the user with a large navigation display. Above the display, the user is given a preview of the next turn they will need to make, along with how far it is from the vehicle. Below the display, the user is shown the destination address and estimated time of arrival. On this screen, the user also has the option of choosing a destination from the contact book or the ability to search by address. The final screen of this interface is the information and settings screen. Entering this screen allows the users to quickly and easily see the vehicle's tire pressure, estimated oil life, and miles until next service. This is also where Bluetooth devices can be managed. By clicking the Bluetooth icon, the user is given options to pair or unpair a phone, or to make the vehicle discoverable to other Bluetooth devices. Clicking pair phone will begin the process of searching for phones that are in a discoverable state. If the interface is unable to locate a phone after 30 seconds, it will present the user with an easy to recognize red error message stating a phone cannot be found. Throughout the design of this interface, our team focused on staying true to the design and organizational principles learned in this class. This is made evident by the icons, which are easy to recognize and task-oriented. Button spacing to create a cluster effect and color choice to avoid confusion. This is the end of our presentation. Again, I would like to thank you for your time and hope you enjoyed our presentation.